Welcome to viewers and students. In this video, we are discussing about circle and its parts. Now let us imagine a point on this surface. Say it is point O. Now let us imagine one more point in this same surface. This is suppose A. Now we will join these two given points O and A. So we got this line segment AO, right? This line segment AO. Now find the length of this line segment. Put the tip of the compass at point O and another tip of the pencil at point A. So this is the length of this line segment. The distance between this tip of the compass and tip of the pencil. The distance between O and A. Now let us imagine some more points on this surface which are equidistant from O. That means these points are at the same distance from O as this away from A. So we are considering some more points on this surface, equidistant from points. Now let us join these points, right? Let us join these points by rotating this compass. So we got a closed figure. Now this closed figure is called circle. So what is a circle? It's a simple curve and closed curve. It's a simple closed curve obtained by joining equidistant points from a given point on the surface. Now this point, which is equidistant from any point on this curve, is called center. So here O is called center. So circle is a simple curve. What is a simple curve? A curve which does not cross itself. Say for example, this is simple curve. This is simple curve. This curve is not simple. It is crossing itself two times at point this and this. This is not simple curve, but circle is a simple curve and closed curve. What is a closed curve? A curve in which the starting point and end points are joined. This is closed curve. Circle is an example of simple closed curve. It is obtained by joining points which are equidistant from a given point. Now this given point is called center of the circle. So any point on this circle are equidistant from this center O. So if you join O and any point on this surface, say for example these points, that means all these line segments are equal. Now this distance is called R, radius. That means a radius means the distance between center and any point on the circle. This is called radius. So all these are equidistant points. So if you consider these points, say B, C, D, E, etc. So we find that OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to OE, etc. All these are equal to R. Now these lines are called radii. So it is the plural form of radius. Radius. So OA equal to radius. That means R. Now OA, OB, OC, OD, etc. are called radii. This is the plural form of radius. Plural of radius is called radii. Right? Now let us draw one more line through the center O and which will join any 2 points on this circle. Say these 2 points are x and y. Now we think about the line segment xy. Xy equal to OX plus OY. So what is OX? OX means it is one radius of the circle R, and OY means this is again one radius of the circle R. So this is twice of R. Now this line XY is called diameter. This is denoted by D. D equal to twice of R. So what is a diameter? It's a line segment passing through the center, joining any 2 points on the circle. So diameter is twice of the radius. Length of the diameter is twice of the radius. Now let us consider one more circle here. Let us join one more circle here. Now let us join any 2 points on this circle. Say point A and B. This is center. So let us join A and B here. This is A and this is B. Now this line segment is called chord. So chord means it's a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Now you see diameter is also joining any 2 points on this circle. This is diameter, right? Say it is D. So AD is diameter as well as chord. Now you see the diameter is the longest chord, because all other chords, they will be away from the center, right? If you make another chord here, this is suppose another chord, you can draw as many chords as you can imagine. There are n number of points on this circle. So you find that all other chords are away from the center. That means they are shorter than the diameter. So diameter is the longest chord. Is the longest chord, right? This you have to remember. Now let us think about another concept here. Let us draw one more circle here. This is the center of the circle, right? Now consider another 2 points here. Say it is A and this is B. Now this part of this circle is called segment. It is just like the concept of line segment. A part of a line is called line segment. So AB is a line segment where this is a straight line L. Similarly, this circle, you can consider a part of this circle. This is called arc. We rewrite it as A, B. We will write it as arc AB. Now think about another point C here. Now ACB, that is also an arc, right? Let us join the diameter OA and OB, radius OA and OB. Now you see this arc is smaller than this arc, so we call this is minor arc. This arc is called minor arc. And this arc ACB, this is called major arc. And this is called minor arc. Right? Now let us consider about this circular region. These two radii, they are dividing this circular region into 2 parts. Let us set this region. Now this region, this is called minor segment. Minor segment. Whereas this region, this is greater than this shaded region, so we call this major segment. So towards the major arc you got major segment, and towards the minor arc you got minor segment. This shaded region is called minor segment, and this unshaded region, this is larger than this is called major segment. Now if you draw the diameter of a circle, you see diameter of the circle divides it into two equal parts. That means both segments are equal, and each one of them is called semicircle. This region is called semicircular region, so we call it a semicircle. This is also semicircle. Right? So diameter of the circle divides it into two equal parts. So each one of this circular region is half circular region is called semicircle. Right? Now let us discuss one more concept here. We'll draw one more circle here again. This circle. So this is the center. Now let us consider this line. Let us imagine a point on this circle and draw a line passing through this point, given point on this circle. Now this line L is passing through one point A on this circle. This line is called tangent. This is called tangent. Now imagine one more line. This is passing through the circle and it intersects the circle in two given points, say A and B. This line is called secant. So secant means it is passing through the circle, crossing through the circle and intersecting the circle in two points, whereas tangent, it is passing through only one point on the circle. It is touching one point of this circle, so it is called tangent, and this line is called secant. So these are some basic concepts about circle. Now based on these concepts, we'll try to construct some geometrical figures in the next class. So thank you viewers for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. In the next class, we'll be discussing about construction of a few geometrical figures.